Umbrella. Just a metal thing. Ammo broom, I'll take it.
Welcome to McDonald's. Use your mobile app today?
Yes, it's 4796.
Alright.
I got a large fry.
Anything else?
I make chicken with no lettuce, with cheese.
Anything else?
Large Dr. Pepper with extra ice. And a large Coke with extra ice, and that's it.
Let him put around to the first window.
I'll get this chair. Look at this chair, babe. Nothing wrong with it. Well, check that out. We found that street scrapping. Ain't nothing wrong with it. I'm gonna keep it. That's a sweet find right there. It's an Ozark Trail. That's a pretty good find, tell y'all what. That's definitely going to be a fishing chair or a 4th of July chair. This 4th of July coming. Found an umbrella. Umbrella. Ella. Not one. But 2 umbrellas. Umbrellas. 2 of them. And I'm guessing a shower rod. Found a broom. Keith to stick the truck out with. Found a grill. Weird looking grill. I'm not gonna see that. I'm pretty sure you can't. But anyways. Yeah, there you go. A Red Devil grill. First grill I ever seen like that. But that's all we found tonight. Better than nothing. Need some towels. Want some flip-flops, Bryson? Flippy flops? It's her garbage. She moved out. TV. College kids are moving out. On TV. Dish rack. Some speakers. I always forget my clippers. But we found a little bit since the college kids are moving out. I get that ceiling fan, bud? I get that ceiling fan?
Yes, you may.
Thank you. A scrap.
That's good.
Good way to make money.
Yep, make YouTube videos while I do it. See you, buddy.
Bye.
Thanks for the fan. A little here. TV. I'll take it. Break time. Can't get the fan. Yeah, it smells. Got off work, you didn't have the GoPro, found a little scrap, fire pit and a bike. Trying to be quiet and quick. Right there, you can grab. That's where the Willie is. The Willie. Anything else?
Yeah.
Where? It's in the box.
You just hand it to me. Just take it.
That's all I see, bud. Where?
But I'm getting blinded. I can't even see.
Where? Yes, yes. Do they got hold of them? No. Nothing on there. There ain't nothing else. Plastic. Eat the jackpot tonight. Yeah. It's somewhere inside. I have to strap that in. We absolutely killed it tonight. Got off work, had to go back, get the GoPro. I should take the GoPro with me when I go to work from now on. But look at all of it. Bed rail, vacuum, wheelbarrow, bed frame. Some metal poles, I guess. And whatever that thingamabobber is, a heater. We got all that too. That came with the bed frame. So much we had to strap her down. Found this all in one night. Hit the jackpot tonight. Bicycle. I'm gonna keep this. Frog gigging. Frog gig handles. I could probably sell that. How many of my subscribers on YouTube eat frog legs? Let me know in the comments. Agree with some heavy metal steel. Dolly, no wheels. I get that ceiling fan, bud? I get that ceiling fan?
Yes, mate.
Thank you. I scrap.
That's good.
Good way to make money.
Yep, make YouTube videos while I do it. See you, buddy.
Bye.
Thanks for the fan. A little here. So tonight, found a dolly, no wheels. These, but they're thick. Would that be considered HMS? Got some big ones too. They're heavy. Got a cage. I guess that's a little heater, I don't know. Take it apart, see what's in her. And a grill, and a ceiling fan. Free copper. But that's all we got tonight. No. Weed whacker. Drop right in my cord cutter. Smell table. Smell, 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 smell. Bicycle, bicycle. Scooter. Whew. Strap her in. Tonight, found a table, a scooter, electric weed whacker, 2 vacuums, another bicycle, baby thing for Wannabe Scrapple, HH Recycling, nice junk, and a big old refrigerator. We're gonna load that refrigerator so heavy, so when we take it to the scrap yard, forklift can't pick it up, it'll go shadoobie. But that's what we found tonight.